All right, guys. So for our first assessment, as a recap and review of what we did yesterday, we're going to go with our supine overhead movement. So we're going to lie on our back, legs bent, feet on the ground, right? If you have space in between your back and the floor, I want you to think about putting your hand underneath your low back and crushing your hand. That's going to get your abs engaged. That's going to get your core to start to be activated. Remember, as our arms go overhead, we don't want our low back to arch, so our rib cage starts to flare. We want it to be mirrored to our pelvis. Now from here, we're going to go hands to the ceiling. Remember, we're going to go one arm at a time because we want to start identifying any sort of asymmetry from side to side. So we'll start with my right arm going back, overhead. You're going to see if your thumb can get to the ground while maintaining a flat back. You're going to come up back to the ceiling. You do your left hand, and then back up, and then you're going to do both arms at the same time. You really want to see if you have any side of asymmetry. Remember, this is one of the most basic tests that we can start to do for any sort of overhead assessment. If we have a side of asymmetry when we're laying down, you can bet as we start to progress these tests, more asymmetries, more dysfunctions are going to start to pop up.